Good morning everybody from a chilly Kent. So today we're looking at planting potatoes, and this is where we're going to put them. As you may have seen in our other videos, our plan is to put another bed like this there next to it, and then another one here and there, so we've got 4 here. I've measured out like a 2-foot gap in between the beds, and then another 6 foot, that's how long the beds are, and that comes down to this rock here. So that means the rest of this will be potatoes, and we will do it the no-dig way. So join us to find out how we do it. Right, we've taken the stones off up to there, and what we're going to do is just fold it back so that we can keep all of this weed free until ready for the beds. And there we go, we've uncovered it. This bit has done all right. The middle bit, not so good. To be honest, I wasn't expecting much because I covered this over only a couple of weeks ago. Because I was growing onions in here, I thought I would leave them from last year to see what they did, but they just rotted. So I'm not surprised. I just, had an idea to give them an opportunity, but it didn't work. And this one has been covered up, but still some weeds. And last year this was all rotivated, and it was all nice and weed free and crumbly, and now we've got all this work to do. And this is why I hate digging, because if you take a look at one of our no-dig beds, and this is one we haven't weeded since last year, and you can see there's a few little weeds. The sticks are there to stop things crawling on them. There's a few little weeds, but they're so easy to pull out. They're weak and small, and it doesn't take long. And in actual fact, most of these, especially the grass, are just because when we strim, the grass seed goes around the edge. But you can see there's a big one over there, a big weed. But apart from that, there's not that much to do compared to what we need to do to plant our potatoes. So I'm going to make a start with that. Right, we've had a change of plan. They say necessity is the mother of invention, and I need not to dig anymore. So I was thinking about it. With the beds that we're putting here, and because we're putting arches across them, there's going to be a 4-foot gap. Now I want this to be able to walk all the way up. So that means no potatoes in the walkway. So I've covered that back up. That was handy. That was the worst bit, that middle bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure 8 foot, so 4-foot gap, then a 4-foot bed, and then whatever is left down here will be for potatoes. I actually want to leave a little bit, as this, while I've been digging, I've been having a think. This is where my asparagus bed is going to go when the asparagus crowns come. And obviously I don't want potatoes in the way, I want to be able to get them in. So that's what we're going to do. So we're just going to have a measure now and see how much space we've got this end. So that doesn't actually give us too much to play with, maybe 2.5 foot there. But we've got, how many Rudolph potatoes was it, Rose? 27, 28 Rudolph potatoes. I think we can get them in there. You can see where the beds are going to come up to, exactly where this plastic is, and then we'll have this strip going all the way up to here, where you can see there's a slight dent, so where the top bed will come. And I think here is where I'm going to plant the asparagus crowns when they come. I can't remember how many I've got, but failing that, if I step back further, the sun's just come out, so there we go. We have this area to play with. It's where we usually park our car, and it is where I do plan to put the trampoline frame was going to be a poly tunnel, but it might be a netted tunnel now, as we've got Rosie's big greenhouse frame over there. We're going to put polythene over. So this is a plan with the potatoes. I'm going to put my Charlottes in over there, we've only got a few, and then the Rudolph in here, see what we can fit in. Okay, let's get cracking. So here we go with our no dig potatoes. Rosie's just using this bit of cardboard as a spacer. So put them eyes facing upwards, darling.
They don't seem to stand up.
That's okay. So they're okay like that. Okay, that's all right. And the eyes on that one. So we're just popping them on the ground, and it's about a foot spacing. These are Charlottes, first earlies.
Last time we did this, we used an egg box as a spacer.
We did use an egg box as a spacer last time, yes. We have a video from start to finish on doing no dig potatoes, and I'll put that up here. So do go and check that out, start to finish. See how quick and easy it is. We really, you know, we hate digging. And I actually was going to not grow potatoes anymore, but we were given some last year, and I thought, well, do you know what, I'll give this no dig method a go. You know, where, you know, we can only lose the potatoes, and it's not something I was particularly interested in. But now we've had that method, I won't do them any other way, and it means potatoes are available to us now, so that's good. You probably, darling, sorry, you want to space them a little bit further away?
I did the foot space.
I know you did the foot, but we want the rows a little bit further apart, just to give them room to grow. Bit more. That'll do you. That one needs to go over a little bit more towards you, Poppet. That's it. Well done, Poppet. You're going wonky on your line again. Okay, I'll come back when we've got these in a line. There we go. You can see they're lined up. And now, Rose, you're going to put some grass over them. Cut this a few days ago. Big handfuls, darling. Double hands. Well done. So there we go. Now we don't have much grass at the minute, so I'm just going to give them a little covering, and then because we have loads of wood chip at the allotment, we're going to top up with wood chip. So just move on to the next load now, darling. Next line.
That's warm.
It is warm, yes. It's starting to decompose. You see how quick and easy it is. Right, now with these, the Rudolph second earlies, we've doubled up on them. This is a method apparently they used to use during the war. I guess for making the most of space. That's what we're doing here today. We did do a line like this last year, you'll see if you watch our video, and you know, it worked well. I can't say there was any massive difference in the two, so I think it's just a space saving idea. If you know why they did this, leave me a comment below, but that's what we're doing. And we've only got a little bit of grass left, so we are just going to give a quick mow round and get some grass. We've got a lovely new lawnmower which Rose and I can both handle. It's nice and lightweight, so it's going to make it so much easier for us down here. So let's go and get that out. Here we go. It's a very small machine, as you can see. It's battery powered, it's a McGregor. It's It was 8 point something, 8.4 kilos, so that's really lightweight. The battery lasts about an hour, which is enough for me. You know, I'm done in then. If Rose and I sharing this, we don't want to be mowing for an hour. It's very rare that we do, so this is absolutely perfect for us. So we're just going to get a little bit of grass for those potatoes now. Even a 9-year-old can use it. So here comes Rose, just with an extra bit to go on the top. Put them in the lines, darling. I think this first line needs some more as well. Do it properly, please. I can see potatoes sticking out this side. There. Now on the second one. Well, I can, so just put some grass over it. And here we are. We've actually come down the next day. I forgot to say goodbye. So here's the Rudolph potatoes, and then over here we have our Charlottes. And how quick and easy was that? And what we will do, as they start to burst through, we will just put more grass on as we cut the grass. If I haven't got enough grass, I'll put wood chip on the top. And that is as easy as it is. I've put the link to the full video that we did last year on from start to finish with no dig potatoes. I'll also put the link in the description below. So and follow us this year to see how these ones get on. It really is a fabulous method of growing potatoes. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to our channel and see our future videos. Thanks for joining this one. See you next time. Bye bye.